Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 8 chapter 19 special type of quadrilaterals exercise 19D question number 2. It says PQRS is a rectangle whose diagonals intersect at point O. So PQRS, this is your rectangle, and all the diagonals of PQRS, they intersect at point O. Let's see what it says. If OP equal to 4x minus 1, so length of O to point P is 4x minus 1, and OS equals to 2x plus 7, so OS equals to 2x plus 7. Find the value of x. So we have to find out the value of x in this. If you see, we have learned the main properties only of rectangle, that says the diagonals are equal. Even if you look in your book, you will find in the box the highlighted property is this only, the diagonals are equal. But we will be using a modified version of this, you can say, but it's similar to this. The diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. Just above the highlighted point of rectangle, there is a table given with all the properties for all the types of parallelograms, and in there it is written for rectangle that the diagonals bisect each other. We are using this only. And remember, in parallelogram, square, rectangle and rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other in all of these four. So what we are supposed to do? First thing, let's write here. Okay, see, when the diagonals will be equal and they will bisect each other. Okay, so of course if I make this diagonal and if I make this diagonal, so if this entire diagonal it is A, then the entire diagonal it is B, so A will be equal to B. Okay, and if I say up half of A by 2, okay, half of A, and if I say I am comparing this half of B, so B by 2 also, yes, so they will be equal or not? Yes, this is a simple thing. If both the diagonals equal, and then their bisected parts will also be equal. Therefore, OP will be equal to OS. Yes, so that is what we are going to be using for solving this question. I hope it is clear now. So let's write it down like this. Okay, we'll begin off with the solution. That first of all, you write it like this: PR, one diagonal, is equal to what? QS, right? What property? Diagonals are equal. Fine. Okay, diagonals are equal and they bisect each other, right? Look, if PR is equal to QS, then PR upon 2 will also be equal to QS upon 2. Just the concepts that I just discussed right here. We are taking half from each diagonal. Okay, so that means half of PR you will take PO or OP given in the question. So OP, half of QS, this you will take half as OQ. So wait a second, you will take the half as OS, right? So OP equals to OS. Okay, so half of PR will be equal to half of QS, because dividing the same sides, right, both the sides of an equation by the same number will not have any effect. That's why I have divided by 2, and half of PR that we have taken as OP, this and this, because its measure is given. Half of QS we have taken OS because its measure is given. Let's put the values and let's solve this simple equation. 4x minus 1 is the value of OP and 2x plus 7 is the value of OS. Let's solve this. 4x minus 2x is equal to 1 plus 7. So 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 4. That's it. This is the final answer, right? We have to find value of x, so it's come out to be 4. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and